Is there any nails in there, Kaden? He'll never forget.
Yeah.
Every time we get in the car, he always has to say, "What happened? Wheel!" Because he had a tire. I mean, he had a nail stuck in his tire. I can't see anything. Maybe I should go get my sunglasses. But it's such a nice day. I thought it was going to be cooler, so I put long sleeves on us.
Batman.
Oh, you're going to be Batman? Where are we going, Kaden?
Go airport.
What are we going to see at the airport?
See airplane.
Yeah. Yeah, see airplanes at the airport? Yeah, we'll see them take off. I guess we have a new dog.
Oh, bye.
Bye!
See you later.
Look at the planes, they're so close. Are these just, do they just fly for fun?
They fly places.
You like them? Yeah. Wow, they're strong.
Wow. Are they gonna hang on to the side?
Is that Harry Styles? No, I'm just kidding.
Whoa.
Wow!
Are they gonna hold on to it when it takes off?
That would be cool. So windy here because it's an open surface, and I told Taylor, he was wondering why it was so windy. I'm like, obviously there's no trees, look.
I don't know stuff.
Because it was so hot, like when we got out, I'm like, oh, maybe I shouldn't have worn a long sleeve, but now I'm like, oh, I want a jacket. Are you cold?
Are you cold? Yeah?
Yeah?
Oh,
I have a sweater for you.
You're warm now, right?
So that right there is the gas station, that like over there somewhere?
I don't know.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
What do you have, Kaden? Make-A-Wish flowers? I don't know what they're called. Those little white ones. Oh, there's my shadow. I wonder where that family went. There's a family that got off that plane. They're getting into that SUV. There's another plane. We want to see how much these are. You like watching the airplanes, Kaden? Yeah, they're cool. Stop being grumpy. We're gonna get something to eat because we're hungry. He's being a grumper. You tired, buddy?
You want to do this or you want to do this?
Airplanes.
You pick.
Taylor let me borrow his sunglasses because I'm like right in the sun. We're just having our little feast. We're having our little feast. Daddy was littering. Look at all that cheese, chicken parm, and what was that called? A
Super steak.
super steak. It looks very super.
This one?
And here's some potatoes. We have a nice view. There's like a mountain over there. That Blue Hills.
Yes.
Really? Everything's Blue Hills. And then there's that like tower over there. I wonder if there's people in there. Probably. Airplane. And there was another guy that got off the plane. He definitely looked rich because he was in a suit and he had a car pick him up. I don't know. I want to ask them where they're coming from because I don't know like how far these planes go. I'm just so curious.
What would you wish for if you had one chance? So airplane, sorry I'm late. I'm on my way, so don't close that gate. If I don't make that, then I switch my flight and I'll be right back at it by the end of the night.
That airplanes in the night.
Who's here? Look at Kaden. Oh, you're gonna blow away.
What happened to all your little and they gave you
Wow, that's huge. For this tiny airport? Wow. Wonder who's gonna get out of that. Wish the
Shaquille
fence
O'Neal.
wasn't in the way. Oh my god, imagine if a celebrity got out. That is strawberry short cheesecake. I was gonna say shortcake. What is that? Yes, we had to get some of this too. And we got some coffees. Yeah, I got my hot coffee.
Hot.
Oh, that looks good. And that's homemade whipped cream. Whipped cream.
Mommy.
That is strawberry cheesecake. Do you want to try a bite? And
Yeah.
Oh, it's like, that's mostly whipped cream. Here. And tell everyone how good it is. Do you guys want a bite too? Here you go. It's mostly whipped cream. Focus. Focus on your bite, guys. Won't focus. I'm gonna, oh,
Boy, that was crazy.
Are you comfy, baby? You look so relaxed. Not a care in the world, huh? You want me to rub your belly? She loves belly rubs. Watch this. I'm gonna get killed. She's not very nice at all. Are ya? You're mean with your little Hitler stash.